my gosh.
Now, would you like the great Madame Larini to show you how you make this little pumpkin disappear? Press it right through the table.
Yes.
All right, I take the little pumpkin, put it down here. Take the magic wand and go. Go on, it is. Now where do you think it might be? No, it is not. It is here. Now, Francis, come into the picture. You make it disappear. Here is the magic wand. Boing, hocus pocus, hexadrexy. Ooh, and yes, bravo!
I could have used my own in here.
Do you want the great Madame Larini to show you what is underneath my hat?
Yes.
All right, I show you what is under my hat. I take my hat off. And mamma mia. Oh.